Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update, and I am very late today. It's about 9:45 a.m. Central Time, and normally I'm a lot sooner than this. And today is, by the way, Thursday, January 16th, 2020. And what are we looking for today? Well, that gets to be the interesting day. Yesterday, we had the impeachment articles go over to the Senate, so today will be the swearing in of John Roberts. He'll be taking everybody from the Senate. They're going to be the jury. As you know, the rules are being set as to how this is all going to work. Next Tuesday, the day after Martin Luther King Day, the trial will begin. How long it can go? The estimate's a couple of weeks. We'll see just what the Senate rules are for the trial as well. USMCA deal should be signed, they think, sometime today. Then it goes to the president's desk. I don't believe that Mr. Trudeau has got it ratified yet in Canada, but that'll put pressure on them to get it done. Everybody wins by it, so it's politics as usual, but I'm sure he'll get something done there. Before I get too far with the reaction to yesterday's U.S.-Chinese trade deal, the news of the day, the Philly Fed Business Index, when you take a look at how it's all acting here, these numbers are pretty solid. Everything you're looking at looks to me pretty darn good. Inventory index was down. I don't know that that's bad. They're not building the inventory, and yet they're moving a lot of product, and they're moving it at good numbers. Import-export prices, they look good too. We imported less in terms of price increase than we thought, and we're not exporting big price. If anything, it's down another 0.6. Prior month was down a bit more than that, but it's not a high number. And petroleum import prices, well, we know they went up with the missile day, as I like to call it. So you're still seeing some of that impact from it when Iran fired those missiles. Jobless data, this is friendly. Down 10,000. The market expected it up 2,000. That's a big swing the other way. Jobless claims down 37,000. That's a good number. Retail sales, look at this. Advanced sales came in up 0.7. The market expected up 0.3. That's double the size. And ex-autos, it was still right where the market was anticipating it. Then you get to the NAHB. And that's the housing index. It came in at 75. The market expected 74. I don't think that's a bad number at all. The prior month was 76. There was something written yesterday that was weird about that, but I think somebody didn't put in the expected number. But it's still a solid number, and we're seeing housing come alive. The Senate, as I said, expected this morning to ratify the USMCA. Here's something that's strange. The U.S. placed Switzerland on the Treasuries list of currency manipulators. The reason for that, folks, is that the Swiss keep trying to tie their currency to the euro. They're not letting it float naturally. And I've not understood for years why they haven't been accused of that, but we noticed it today. Metal markets. You know, I've been looking for the April gold and the Feb gold to try to reach down to their 18-day average of closes. Maybe this is the spot it does. In the bear camp, well, I'm just not there. I think it's a correction. Here's a market that's super interesting. You're down almost 10 cents in the corn. You were down about 10 just a moment ago. And wheat down nearly 12 cents. What the heck? Didn't we just have a deal signed with the U.S. and China? We did. The reason sometimes you get this, you get the cotton sell-off on it, is markets, newer traders that don't have the savvy. They'll come in, they hear this type of news, and I've seen this all the time, having owned one of the large discount firms in the country for many years. They come in after the fact instead of, the concept is buy the rumor, sell the fact. The fact was yesterday. The market's now in a washout phase to knock those people, that's my opinion, out of the market. Sugar's still strong, cocoa market strong. Coffee's the never-ending bear market. It's almost like the palladium to the upside, which is in a runaway mode. All you need to do is look at that chart, and you'll get corrections, but it's been a runaway market. I want to remind you that I have my special report out on gasoline. It's going to come off in a day or so, so it's only up for 5 days. Remember that. On that report, you get my commentary about it. You're going to see price counts, which is unique to us. You're not going to find those studies anywhere else. I'll review for you both the 30, the 15, and the 5-year study. The reason I did gasoline is I realize so many of you think gasoline goes up in the summer. I want you to take a look at the nature of what gasoline does as we get towards the end of January. It's worth your looking at if you want to. That's up to you. How do you take a look at it? It's really simple. Go to our website, www.iraepstein.com, under the word research. You'll see a drop down. It'll have the gasoline report. And today I'll be deciding what's my next report that I'm going to put out. If you have any ideas of what you want a special report on, if you watch me on YouTube, write something there. I do listen to your comments, and we'll see if I want to do one on that. All right? In the meantime, I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you at the end of the day. You have a good trading day.